gentlemen, the seatbelt sign will be switched off shortly. For your own safety, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt loosely fastened in case of any unexpected turbulence. My name is Sean, and I'm your cabin service director for this flight. Sue and Hijab are the cabin seniors. All our crew will be happy to offer any assistance we require throughout this flight. In a short while from now, we shall be served with dinner. Our in-flight entertainment has already begun. For further details, please refer to your copy of the in-flight entertainment guide in the seat pocket in front of you. It is our pleasure to offer you the opportunity to purchase duty-free on today's flight. Our in-flight duty-free boutique offers a wide range of duty-free products, which include an exclusive selection of male and female fragrances, gift items, jewelry, and more. We invite you to browse through our in-flight duty-free boutique catalog, which is available in your seat pocket. Let Qatar Airways offer you a shopping extravaganza from the comfort of your seat. Qatar Airways is also supporting a novel program called Educate a Child, which aims to significantly reduce the number of out-of-school children worldwide. There are 57 million children worldwide without access to primary education due to poverty, discrimination, conflict, and disaster. Through your support, we can reach these children and contribute towards their future. Passengers who wish to donate for this noble cause can place their donations in the envelopes provided in the seat pockets or request any cabin crew member for the same. We now request you to sit back, relax, and enjoy this flight with us. Thank you.